Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from a Google Pixel device to VIVO V50 Lite. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm at the bottom. Continue. And allow in first pop-up. Now allow all in the second one. Finally, choose whatever you want to in all the other ones, and when you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel. Then receive right next to send at the bottom of Vivo. Also on Google Pixel, thanks to all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose allow a few more times and then access your files. When you're ready, hit send next to selected at the bottom. If you decided to send any app, choose OK in this pop-up. And now after hitting Got It, in Here's Some Tip 1, decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers before they expire and choose Receive button. Wherever you decided, just wait and then close all ads. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!